Hi, this is Jay from Under Pressure with Sunday. Quick tutorial how to get your pressure washer started. Under 1 minute, I'm going to show you everything. Check your oil level, so it's up to that. If there's a line or a dot, fill it with petrol or diesel, whatever is recommended. Turn on the switch. Since this is a cold start, chokes on. Throttle halfway. Connect your water. Connect the pressure washer hose. Turn on the water. Guns connected, lands connected. Pull the trigger, let the water flow through. While you're holding the trigger, well, that's 1 minute and 14 seconds. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.